Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making your Gmail address a recognized iMessage contact. Sign into Appleid. Apple.com and either use Gmail as your Apple ID or add it under account reachable at. Once added, check Gmail for the verification code and enter it to confirm ownership. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on your iPhone or Mac. This step links Gmail to Apple's messaging system, so iMessage can list it under send and receive addresses. Next, enable that newly verified Gmail address inside iMessage itself. On iPhone, go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive. On Mac, open Messages, Preferences, iMessage. Look for your Gmail address and tick it so you can receive and start messages from it. If it does not appear immediately, sign out of iMessage and sign back in to force a refresh. This step tells Apple's messaging servers to route iMessages to your Gmail-listed identity, keeping conversation continuity across devices. Finish by testing. Have someone with an Apple device send an iMessage to your Gmail address or send one yourself from another Apple ID. If messages don't arrive, verify the Gmail verification email was accepted, confirm iMessage and iCloud are signed in on each device, and check for pending two-factor prompts. If you still see problems, sign out of messages on all devices and sign back in after updating the OS. This often re-registers addresses and fixes lingering routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.